Hello children, how are you all? Yes, we have enjoyed the last one, fruitful trees, right? Yes, now I am going to tell you about a very interesting one. Yes, about you only. 3 good habits. Yes, do you have hobbies? Yes, so many hobbies you have, right? Yeah. See, here in the hobbies, which are good, which are bad, we don't know. But here 3 good habits I am going to tell you. If you don't have these are your habits, now make it your habits and follow this. Yes, to lead our life, to be our life very healthy and happy. Healthy and happy. So that's why we need to maintain these 3 good habits. What are those? Let's see the point. Have you ever followed someone's advice? Yes, are you following or not? Yes, we are advising you. Mother is advising you, suggesting you. Dad is suggesting you. Yes, are you following or not? Sometimes you are following, sometimes you are not, right? But we are telling for you only. That's why you must follow. Yes. Do you eat the food that is healthy or the food that you like? Yes, this is very important. What do you eat? The food what you like or else which is healthy. Don't say answer and I like and which is healthy. Very few what you are eating you like which are healthy food, but very few only. So which one you like to prefer? Yes, good eating habits make a person fit and healthy, strong, right? Yes, read the story to find out which 3 good habits Edward Penguin followed to fit in his new suit. So new dress, new suit he wanted to buy. To fit in that suit, Edward Penguin, what he did, we can see 3 good hobbies. See that. Edward Penguin, like you only. Edward Penguin liked to eat candy, cookies and jelly bars. Candies you know, cookies, biscuits you know, jelly bars, yes, jellies also you know, jelly, just jelly you are eating now. Yes, jelly bars. Edward Edward, you must stop eating candy, cookies and jelly beans. Who said? Said his mom one afternoon. So one day afternoon, mom advised Edward, you are eating too much. You must stop eating candies, cookies and jellies. All. Mom said. Okay, mom, said Edward Penguin. So when mom said, okay, we said, but do you stop? No. The same way, Edward also. Edward Penguin then went into his bedroom and closed the door and ate a large bag of jelly beans. I really love jelly beans, smiled Edward. So, okay mom, he said. Edward get into the room and he locked the door and he started to eat a bag full of jelly beans. And very smile he said, I love jelly beans, he said. But can we eat that many jelly beans? No, we get health issues, right? At dinner that night, Edward was not hungry. Bag jelly beans means, do you feel hungry? No. So he was not hungry. He ate 2 peas, 2 string beans and 1 olive. So very few little quantity he ate. 2 peas, 2 string and 1 olive. As Edward left the table, he thought, it's okay not to eat mom's food. I have lots of jelly beans that I can eat. So, yes, he ate very little bit and he left the table. And he thought, okay, it's okay. But if I don't eat mom's food, no problem because I have jelly beans, lots of jelly beans. I can eat them. That he thought. And Edward needed a penguin suit. Edward wanted to buy a new penguin suit. So then he went to the penguin suit store with his mother to get a new one. So he wanted to buy a new suit, penguin suit. So that's why he went to the shopping with his mother to buy penguin suit. But what happened? All the suits were too small. None of the suit suit to Edward. So all the suits are very small and tight, right? And none of the suits fit Edward. So no suit is suitable to Edward. So what can he do? Yes, Edward was very upset. Edward was very upset. He called out, "Mom, what am I going to do? None of the penguin suit fits me." So Edward was very upset. He tried all the dresses, all are very tight and short like this. So what can he do? So that's why he said he was very upset and he called out, "Mom, what am I going to do? What shall I do? None of the penguin suit fits me. What am I going to wear? I want to wear the penguin suit. What can I do? What am I going to wear?" Edward's mom smiled and said, "Edward, let's go home and talk. So this is not the place to discuss. Let's go home and talk. So now be quiet," she said. "I know what you can do to fit into a new penguin suit. So I know what we can do to fit into a penguin suit. So what to do, I will tell you. So if you follow that, then that suit is suitable to you," that mom said. So then, and when they got home, Edward's mom said in a gentle voice, "Edward, there are 3 good habits that can help you to solve your problem." So very gentle, pleasant voice, smoothly, silently she said, quiet voice, "Edward, there are 3 good habits that you can help you to solve your problem." Yes, the problem solution. You can solve your problem. That is in your hands only. What is that? 3 good habits that if you follow, you can solve your problem. So what is that? You can stop eating junk food. You can stop eating junk food and sweets. So first one is stop eating junk food. What are those junk food? Candies, cookies, jelly beans, pizzas, yes, burgers, all these. So stop eating. And sweets also you must stop it. You can start eating healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, cereals, chicken and fish. So these, yes, very healthy foods. What are those? Fruits, vegetables, cereals. Cereals means, yes, grains, right? So those, chicken, yes, yummy chicken. Fish. So these you need to eat. And you can begin doing a bit of jiggle jogging each day. So daily you must do jiggle jogging also. So sure mom, I will do those 3 things. Smiled Edward and he did. So yes, he realized penguin suit is needed. That's why he realized, sure mom, I'll do these 3 things, and he started to do that one. And Edward Penguin ate healthy foods, jog each day and became healthy and strong and got a brand new penguin suit. So yes, according to his mom's suggestion, he stopped eating, yes, that is a fatty food. That's all the candies, cookies and all these foods he stopped eating, that is junk food, and he stopped eating sweets. So that first thing he did, and he started to eat only healthy foods, vegetables, fruits, chicken, like this, very healthy food, and jiggle jogging, that is also he did. Then within a few days he bought a new penguin suit, so which he was loved.